Hi, this is John from Chicago, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you a little gate that I built out of 1x2 furring strips. It took 7 furring strips and 32 screws, and I was able to put this together in about 20 minutes. It's a nice addition to my basement. You end up going through the lower level. You do a 280. You circle back through and do the second level. Do another 270 and do the third level. Then you come back around and come through the top level. And then you go back down one level at a time. It's like a ladder. You go up and down it. And then you get back on the course and go around the course. So this is my new addition to my basement course. I saw this ladder tower gate at a bar in Schaumburg. So I figured, yeah, I can make one of these. It's about $10 worth of material. And like I said, it takes about 15 minutes to build. I'll show you some of the build process. And I'm going to build a new gate. It's called I think it's called a tower gate. I saw it at a racetrack in Schaumburg. I only got 6. I meant to get 7. I didn't realize I was one short. 7 1x2 purring strips. These are pretty crooked. I'd go for straighter ones than what I have. And then I measured along here every 19 inches. I put a line, and I'm going to use 4 of them for the corners, and then I'm going to use the top 19 inches to use some of those as cross pieces, and then the other 2 are going to be cross pieces. So I'm going to end up too short. And at the end, the bottom rung, I'm an extra 2 inches because these are 8 foot long. So my tower should be about 6.5 feet tall or something like that. So I'm going to cut these up and screw them together. That was $6 worth of wood right there. They're $1 a piece at Menards. Hopefully you could get straighter ones than me. And then probably a buck or 2 worth of screws. You should be able to make this tower. And let me go ahead and cut this up and start building. One down, 6 or 7 more to go. It's fun making stuff. Okay, there's 2 of the sides of the cube or the tower. I just need to screw them together and lay it out there. Okay, got the first section done. Okay, we continue to build the ladder. Okay, so we'll go on there, flip her over, and we got ourselves a ladder, or a tower. Stronger as I bolt more and more of this together. Okay. We got it. The tower gate. Welcome to my basement track. Flying indoors in the winter makes Chicago livable. Weather outside is crummy, snow on the ground, and about freezing. So flying in the basement's a good thing. And I normally like flying with pretty good sized gates. I use 2-foot openings on my gates so I don't hit them. A lot of the races they'll use 19-inch, and this new tower ladder that I made has a 19-inch gate. I needed to make it about that size so it's fits in my van pretty easy. But anyways, we're going around my course right now. I think I'm doing 3 laps, and I'm coming up to my new tower ladder gate. You go through the bottom layer, you turn 270 degrees, you go through the second layer, then you go up another layer, and you go through the third layer, again, a 270-degree turn, and you're in the top layer. And now you just work your way back to the second to the top, third from the top, and now you're running through the bottom layer. You go around the gate and back toward the start line there. That was a new addition there. I put these little LED gates up. When you turn the lights off, they look pretty cool. They're pretty reasonable. I picked those up from Banggood. But we're running through the course again, and we're coming up to the tower gate. And this definitely adds a new level of fun to this, and now some of the competitions around are having these, so it's good to make one of these and learn how to do it. Anything you do flying that enhances your flying, it will help you out in the long run. It's really all about getting in hours. If you have any comments or questions, please leave those below, and don't forget to hit the like button. And